Okay, let me show you again. Once you've created these box plots, you want to save them as picture files. So to do that, you want to right click on the chart. And where you right click matters. If you right click somewhere on the chart area out here, it allows you to do save as picture. But if you right click here in the plot area, you do not see that option. So just make sure that you right click somewhere out here like that, and then choose save as picture. And then you can then choose where you want to save it. And then name it something like box plot. And this is for speed. Boom. And then click save.